Last class we discussed what about the genetics. In the genetics we just observed from the sex-linked lineage mode from introduction we discuss here. Then after today we discuss from in genetics, that is from the Mendel's law. From actually the Mendel's law, the Gregor John Mendel, he explained from what about the from inheritance characters. Then after he explained some important laws, and that the laws named of Mendelian's law. From in this Mendelian laws, there are three types of Mendelian laws are present. The first thing are from the law of dominance, law of segregations, and law of independent assortment. So these three types of the Mendel's law. The first one, the law of dominance, because in the characters, those are the dominant characters are there. It's always dominant from the in recessive characters. That is the first law from the in Mendel's. But here some characters are not repeated from the next generations. But in the law of segregation, what they give me a definition is according to this law, from each organism is formed of a bundle of characters. Here dominance only will be there here, but the segregation is what that? There are those are characters are there. That the characters are independent from bundles characters are being introduced here. From their point of view, the most important character is there is a monohybrid cross. In this monohybrid cross, so what we observe here, observe from some two characters. What the two characters are there? One is from the tall characters, one is from the dwarf characters. That is short and tall. So in monohybrid cross, so what we observe here that is the parents. First of all, this is from the parents are there, and in these parents, capital T from tallest is crossed with small t is the shortest, is the dwarf. When is getting from the first generation, the gametes are T, capital T and small. From this is from the F1 generation, then the first generation. That means the parents we getting from gametes, and these gametes is undergoing from the divisions, like is on Punnett structures. This is a symbol from gametes: capital T, small t, capital T, and small. Capital T from here, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small. So what we observe here means, here always the capital T's are dominated from the small t. That means the tallest are down to dwarf. That means here capital, what we observe here, capital T is a tall, and capital T, small t. Here also will be tall. Why it is tall? Because of the T is the dominated from the small. So that is, it will not appear from outside. And then capital T, small t also from tall. And then small t is a short. That means these three characters, and this is from 1. It is appear. That means what we say is, we just say it is a phenotype is 3:1 and genotype is 1:2:1. Why is 1:2:1 here? That means the one is homozygous, this one is of homozygous, but this two is of heterozygous. But heterozygous always from the dominance of characters. So this is the law of segregation. That means we just observe from monohybrid cross. Then after there is a second law. Then what about the from third law? The third law was the law of independent of assortment. There are, according to this law, the genes for each pair of characters separated and enter the gametes independently. That means according to this law, what they observe here, those are genes for each pair. Each pair have one gene size there. That the characters are then separated from enter the gametes of independently. So their point of view, the Mendel science will explain from the dihybrid cross. Here, those are this box is present, and this box name is Punnett. Here, how many Punnets are there? There are 4 Punnets. That's why 3:1, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is the 4. But here also, how many quinets are there? There are 16 quinets are present. That means, I draw here. The characters, what is that here? Here from the most important side is there. That is from the two characters we are taking from here. That is from the one is the round and wrinkle, and then yellow and green color. That means here yellow and round seeds. It cross with green in wrinkles characters. They are given from capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, small r, small y, small y. This is the parents in the F1 generation. Capital R, capital Y, small y. These are the F1 generation. Those are their gametes are. Those are the gametes are present. That is the difference are there. These gametes are will be present from capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Same will be repeated here. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So what we are getting here from here? Capital R, capital Y, and capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and capital R and small r, capital Y, small. And then here same one. Capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, and capital R, capital Y, small y, and capital R, small y, small. And same process, capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small. There, capital R, capital Y, small y, and then capital R, small y, and then capital small r, capital Y, small y, small r, small y, small. These are capitals. That means here capitals are from round and yellow, round yellow, and round wrinkle. Here one character is different. And round yellow and round wrinkle. And a round and yellow, but this is another character is there. What is that? Got the green and yellow, and round and yellow, and the round and wrinkles, and then green and that's the back, and finally green and red. These are characteristics from the phenotype is from what is that 9:2, 3:2, 3:1, and then the genotype is 1:2, 2:2, 1:2, 2:2, 4:2, 2:1, 2:1. They are from the we have. And the same process from the non-Mendelian index characters also better complementary is there. There is a complementary genes, supplementary genes, epistatics, and duplicate. From their ratio also be different here. 9:3, 9:3:4, 2:3:1, 9:3:4, 15:1. These are the characters which is completely is different from these estimates. Okay, so this is the part, and tomorrow we discuss from what about from non-Mendelian index characters. Okay.